I'm McKenna and I'm the Summer Reading Club coordinator, and today I have our very first Summer Reading Club craft for our age group 3 to 6. And so this is our Q-tip painted clothespin butterfly, and so it opened and closes at the back so you can clip it wherever you want. So when you come to pick up your supplies, you'll get a little bag with all of your butterfly pieces and paint, as well as a little container of glue and your butterfly outline. So you're going to want to begin by painting your butterfly outline. I suggest not cutting it out and leaving it on the paper so that you can have easier cleanup. And there is paint. Everybody gets 2 colors as well as a Q-tip. And we've used Q-tips because it helps with fine motor skills and it's just easier for the little ones to hold. And then once you're done painting your butterfly, you want mom or dad to help you cut it out. I dropped the antennae. And then you want to glue your antennae onto the body. Make sure that it's on this part where it helps open and close, not where it actually opens and closes, or else your butterfly might be upside down. Unless you want that, unless you want an upside down butterfly, which is okay. And then you're just going to glue your butterfly to the body, and I've done it where the pipe cleaner is, but you can do it on either side. It really doesn't matter. Then let this dry for a few hours. It needs a good few hours to dry fully, and then you can clip it wherever you want. Mine might clip to my shirt. Right there. And then if you would like to earn tickets for this, all you have to do is send me a picture of your finished prize, and I will make sure my email is in the description box, and these can begin being picked up on June 19th. And please remember that quantities are limited. So I hope you have fun making these, and I can't wait to see your beautiful butterflies.